We are going to be taking this apart to clean it and cleaning the contacts. Use contact cleaner on the switches. Anyway, let's take the screws off on camera. No, I'm just kidding. Speed it up. Speed it the hell up. Shingo was doing that in the video of the Quasar TV that... I don't know why I like that one so much. Like when he's unscrewing it. Oh, first turning it on, he saw the screen was blue and he's like, oh. I don't know, I make plenty of strange noises in my videos too. But I don't know how to fix anything. Okay, it's struggling to come apart because my brother was driving me completely insane talking, and you gotta take the knob off, and those knobs, and those off. Then we'll see the inside. They glued them on, so that's stupid if you ask me. I said, let's take this switch off now. Come on, are these glued too? Okay, here we go. It's coming apart now. Almost. Copy Shango a little bit more. Almost. A mirror. Gone, but not forgotten. Here we go.
Here's to the people who get the job
working.
done.
Oh, we almost Corco snorkulated the dial cord. Material HHHIPS. Revision number 2. Come on. Don't point the viewfinder at the thing you're filming. 8 ohm, 2 watts. What? It's a right? This thing only has one speaker. Guess what? It doesn't matter. That's why they even put right on it. TAM radio transformer, they're good quality. Sony used them. Tamura, Japan. Japan. This was made in Malaysia. Anyway, you need a little squirt spritzer. The potentiometers. Do that on video for your viewing pleasure. Oh, we gotta do it from the other side. Let me put the camcorder in my left hand. Point at what you're filming, doofus. Sometimes it'll squirt out the top. This can's faulty. The first one I had was great. Oh well, it's coming out the bottom here. The straw too. You just gotta barely press on it. And okay, we're in view right there.
Don't forget to hang up your sock, cause just exactly at 12 o'clock.
Sounds cool.
And the meat.
The beat.
Fire.
Moving in the right direction.
Holy crap, I haven't heard this in 16 years. Dude, fuck yeah. Yeah. Steel wool job is done.
Squeeze me tight.
It's Otis Redding, backed by no other than Booker T and the MGs.
And I go
One of the best sounding bands ever. Oop-a-donk-a-donk. Clean with me. Shut my mouth, slap your grandma. I always got a kick out of that back in the day when this was a new song. Anyway, let's pick something else to listen to. Toby Keith came up in Shango's stream that he was a good writer and everything, yeah. Could go crazy with Novus plastic polish, but I'm not going to do that.
Radio 1190 Traffic Center.
In Dallas, eastbound 30.
Let me guess, there's a
Walker,
trouble.
accident blocked
Yo,
3
you
lanes
just said
to
it,
the left,
yeah.
and There's over an hour delay
Loop
from
12
Bush
Walton Walker,
Turnpike.
the biggest
In
freaking
Irving,
problem
eastbound
zone ever.
183 near Beltline, and
I
accident
remember
blocks 2 right lanes.
watching WFA in the morning when I was like in 6th grade here. And Loop 12 Walton Walker, Loop 12 Walton Walker, there's an accident, Loop 12 Walton Walker. Every day.
We're giving and saving.
Is that ridiculous? I was gonna say, they're gonna say this, and he says it, right? We're not gonna say it. I had the bass and treble set to 5 out of 10. That was only at 3.
No limits, no brakes, no slowing down.
This sounded so badass when we turned it up when the guitar came in. We gotta do that and get that on video. Here, back up. Is that awesome or what? Okay, we're done and the battery's gonna die. So, let's turn it on after I plug it in. Gotta be quick, cause it's gonna die. The battery. Come on. This goes hard, like we said in high school. Not this song specifically, but you know. Yeah, it sounds alright. So yeah, there it is. Done.